There you go. Jumping for the lead is Henry Hill. C. Senor, moving up on the outside. It's Henry Hill by the row. C. Senor throwing a challenge on the outside. Raul is racing in third, then followed by runner number 2, and it's Golden Class. Next in line, Restless Heart. Yakal second last, while Prince Isaiah is the tail ender. Henry Hill. C. Senor moves up to grab the lead. Raon to take second, then racing in fourth is runner number 2, Golden Class, then followed by Yakal. C. Senor still leading the field by about 3 lengths. Raon remains in second, then moving up now to take third is Restless Heart. In between runners, Yakal, Henry Hill, and out of stretch they come. C. Senor with Apprentice Carlo Salangit Tonolio by about 4 lengths. With 75 meters to race, it's going to be C. Senor. Then comes Raon, close between Golden Class and Yakal, Prince Isaiah, Henry Hill, and number 1, Restless Heart.